Let me ask you a painful question. Can you understand English? But when you try to speak English, your mouth freezes, your confidence disappears, and your mind goes blank. If yes, then this video is not optional for you because in this next few minutes I'll show you how to normal people learn English alone at home and speak confidently without teachers, without partners, without fear. And if you watch this video till the end, you'll get a simple daily system that actually works. I know how it feels. You avoid speaking English, you stay silent in meetings, you feel embarrassed in public. Not because you are weak, but because no one taught you the right way. Today, the changes. Truth that no one tells you. Here is the biggest lie about English. First, learn grammar, then speak. It's totally wrong. Babies don't learn grammar, they listen, they speak, they make mistakes, and that's exactly why they become fluent in English. English is not knowledge, English is a habit. Let's now talk about steps. So, step 1, pre program your brain. If you want to speak English, then you must hear English every single day, not once in a while, every day while walking, while cooking, while resting. Your brain learns by exposure, not pressure. Step 2, self talk. Most powerful step. You don't need a speaking partner, you need self talk. Talk to yourself like this: I'm going to work now. Today was a difficult day. I'm improving slowly. Even if it's simple, even if it's wrong, silence kills fluency. Speaking wills it. Step 3, mirror confidence training. Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, speak English loudly. Why? Because fear lives in your face and confidence is trained through repetition. Do this daily for 5 minutes. Your confidence will shock you. Let's talk about step 4, sentence based learning. Stop memorizing words, learn sentences. I'll handle it. Let me think. That makes sense. Fluency comes from ready sentences, not grammar rules. Okay, so now step 5, smart vocabulary. One new word, one sentence, one usage. Example: confident. I feel confident today. Improve. I want to improve my English. Use it the same day. That's how memory works. The 30-minute rules. You don't need hours, just 30 minutes, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes sentences. Do this for 19 days, not motivation, consistency only. And now, let me tell you the truth: people who speak English are not smarter than you. They just practiced when others quit. Start today, speak daily, and one day English will feel normal. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for real English learning. Your journey starts now, so don't waste your time by scrolling social media. Start now and be fluent in English. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.